Welcome to GW Manager. In this video, I will show you how you can export domain shared contacts with GW Manager. If you want to learn what are domain shared contacts and how do they work, I would recommend you to watch our other video on domain shared contacts overview. To export domain shared contacts, I will go to my Google Sheets and click on extensions. Here, I should see GW Manager. If you do not see it here, please visit our website to learn more about the installation options. Then I'll click on Launch to launch GW Manager in the sidebar. And once GW Manager is launched, I will select Manage Shared Contacts from the features. And under a sub-feature, I will go to Export Shared Contacts. Now we need to insert the sheet because we do not have the export shared contact sheet inserted yet. So I will click on Execute. GW Manager will now create export shared contact sheet and take us there. And it says no input required because we are only doing the export function. We are not writing anything. So I will select Export Shared Contacts and click on Execute. And within a few seconds, GW Manager will let us know how many domain shared contacts we have, and it gave us the contact ID, which is helpful if we need to update or delete these domain shared contacts, and you will see that in other videos, and you will see all the details there. So this is how you can export all your domain shared contacts with GW Manager. You can do much more with GW Manager, and we are constantly adding new features based on customers' feedback. Please visit our website, gwmanager.com, to learn more. Thank you for watching.